under the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I have a pretty filthy house clean with me. I have a lot to get done, so we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to start in my kitchen, and my kitchen definitely needs my attention. I have neglected it over the past couple days. So like I said, let's just jump into it. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. I'm going to let some music play, and I'll be back in a little bit.
You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two pass the line, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky.
So I always come on camera, and I come on just my YouTube channel, and I always try to be in a really happy place and a good mood, because I never want my channel to be anything but that. And I want, you to come to my channel and be motivated and inspired and just like happy to be here and hang out in the comments and say hi in the comments. And I just really want my channel to be an uplifting place. And I certainly know that I don't need to even really give you reasons or justify anything to you guys. You guys are always just so sweet and supportive. But I have to be honest with you guys that I've really been struggling. The reason my house is just such a mess right now is I have definitely been dealing with some depression the past week or two, and it's just been pretty bad. And there's a lot going on. I'm sure everybody's got a lot going on, and just the world we live in, it's just every day it's new and awful, and so I just haven't really done a whole lot of cleaning. But I'm really feeling better. Today was a really good day for me, and I'm starting to feel better. So I do have a lot of cleaning ahead of me because I really haven't done much for a week. So I just wanted to, tell you guys about that. And also, the reason I talk about these things, that if you guys are struggling with it, I totally get it. No one's perfect all the time. No one has it together all the time. And if they do, maybe they could make a YouTube about it, a YouTube video about it, and tell us all their secrets. But yeah, I just wanted to, that was just been on my heart. I just wanted to talk to you guys about it. I feel like I've been a really bad YouTuber recently, and like I haven't been responding to comments, and just know that I love you guys forever. I've just been struggling, but gonna get better. Everything's fine. So let's keep that music playing and let's keep cleaning.
So afraid of you, lying so far into. Yeah, I wanna know it, I wanna know it. When here it seems like the hill. Yeah, I wanna know it, I wanna know it now. I'm feeling right. I'll give you a piece of me. Just let it down, please. Lights on me, I am in a big hole, kinda pretty. I see the day of dancing, I remain, I'll be dead to you. Yeah, I wanna know it, I wanna know it. When here it seems like the hill. Yeah, I wanna know it, I wanna know it now. I'm feeling right. I'll give you a piece of me. Just let it down, please. Living in a crowded dream, searching for the quiet that you need to breathe. Gave up on your sanity to hide behind your shadow. While you tried to take the sun down, hearts don't ever change to gold. Out there thinking that you're in the world alone. No one ever told you that you'll have to fight for something, or you'll never learn to balance. It's too cold, standing in the middle of the downpour, looking in the mirror, 'cause it's only you that you have to lose. Headed backward on a one-way, trying to stop from running, but you can't wait. Bury all the evidence, you'll only learn when you crash and burn. When you crash and burn. When you crash and burn. Living in a crazy world, following the path that always twists and turns. Gave up on your sanity to hide behind the devil, 'cause you think you'll live forever. Say you're never getting old, out there thinking that you're in the world alone. No one when you crash and burn, when you crash and burn. I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now. I hear the sounds of your heartbeat. I can hear it now. I can hear it now.
So the kitchen is done and I am feeling so much better. I don't know about you guys, but like the kitchen is just like, it really is the heart of the home. And when your kitchen is clean, like your life is just better. So I'm super excited that I got in and I just did it and I got the kitchen done. And now I'm going to be moving on into my living room. Nothing super crazy here, like not like a crazy deep clean, but I really just want to get in there and pick up everything off the floor, put the couches back together and just give the space a really thorough vacuuming. I'm also going to be setting up my essential oil diffuser, which always makes me happy. And I bought some new fairy lights that I don't really know what to do with, but I'm going to be setting those up along with my plants that I'm super excited to show off. So I am going to let some music play for the rest of this video. I hope you guys are motivated and inspired to tackle your to-do list. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in my next video.
Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late. Yeah. We talk about this, can't forget. I'm seeing you in everywhere, in every